In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get discard changes with GitHub Desktop. If you've made edits you don't want to keep, GitHub Desktop gives you a simple way to roll them back to the last committed version. Before we start, a quick heads up. Discarding changes removes uncommitted edits from your working files. Once you confirm, those edits are gone from your local copy, so take a moment to review what you're about to discard. Begin by opening GitHub Desktop. Make sure you're on the correct repository, which you can verify at the top of the window. If you have multiple projects, switch to the one you're working on so you don't discard changes in the wrong place. Next, click the Changes tab. This view shows every file Git detects as modified, added, or removed in your working directory. Think of it as your staging area preview. It lists what's different compared to your last commit and lets you decide what to keep or revert. Now choose where you want to undo changes. In the file list, identify the specific file you no longer want to modify. If you're not entirely sure, click the file to preview its diff in the main pane. This shows exactly what lines were changed, added, or removed, which helps you confirm you're targeting the right file before you discard anything. With the correct file highlighted, click the file entry so it's selected and the diff is visible. This quick click also ensures the app knows which file you intend to act on. Taking a second to read through the diff here can save you from throwing away work you meant to keep. Right-click on that file in the list. A small context menu will appear with actions related to the selected item. Using the right-click menu is the most direct way to revert just that file without affecting others. Finally, choose Discard Changes. GitHub Desktop will usually prompt you to confirm, reminding you that the local modifications to that file will be removed. Confirm to proceed. The file will immediately revert to the state of your last commit, and it should disappear from the changes list if there are no remaining edits. Repeat those same actions for any other files you want to revert. If you're cleaning up a lot of local experimentation, discard carefully and review the diffs first. As a best practice, commit work you want to keep and only discard what you're sure you don't need. That way your history stays clean and you avoid accidental data loss, and that's all it takes to discard changes in GitHub Desktop quickly and confidently.